Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate chip cookies in Toca Boca. First, head to your Toca Boca kitchen and gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need items like flour, sugar, butter, eggs, and of course, plenty of chocolate chips. Don't forget to grab a mixing bowl and a spoon, along with a baking sheet. Having everything ready makes the process super smooth and fun. Now it's time to mix. Start by combining your dry ingredients in the bowl. That includes about 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Next, add your wet ingredients: 1 stick of softened butter, 1 large egg, and a splash of vanilla extract. Stir everything together thoroughly until you have a wonderfully smooth and consistent cookie dough. With your dough ready, it's time to prepare for baking. Use your spoon to scoop small, round portions of the cookie dough onto your baking sheet. Try to leave about 2 inches of space between each cookie so they don't stick together. Carefully place the baking sheet into the Toca Boca oven. Bake them until they turn a beautiful golden brown, usually for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once your cookies are baked to perfection, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. The aroma will be absolutely delightful. Let your delicious chocolate chip cookies cool on the sheet for a few moments, perhaps 5 minutes, before moving them. Then, they are ready to be enjoyed. Share your warm, homemade treats with your Toca Boca friends for a sweet celebration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.